look at you. Oh, more. This is big. And look, it's flowers. Everything is fake. Wow, look at this. Epic. Everyone, we're in IKEA. Look at this. Comfy couches and beds. Somebody really needs to tidy the bed. Oh my god. Somebody had a rough sleep. Nice chair. Yep. To lie down, but I know I'm not allowed to. Don't worry, not an IKEA, just my bedroom. Look at my television. This is normal. There'll be light. Don't climb up the stairs.
What do you mean? I'm stuck.
No.
No, don't leave me here.
Lovely. We're going to go through here. And... oh, look at this one. Comfortable. In heaven. Whoa, it's like Barbie in here. Holy heck. This reminds me of where I was born. In the jungle. Fredo always tells me I'm not allowed to draw on the walls. This is heaven. Yes. Wait a second. It says yes here. Somewhere. Hey, babe. Is my mind bendy or like the real world? I'm right to your home. Do I live here? With the light.
It's all fake.
I can try and solve the puzzle. Come on, I can do it. Yes. Lamp. Look, this is literally my house. Why can't I live here? I need some money. I'll pay it. I'm gonna live here. Wow. Why can't I live here? I'm playing video games. Oh, girls! My dream has come true. Why can't I live here? It glows. Reveal. Anyway, this isn't Cap. This is my house. This is my bed in this bowl. I'm very, very civilized. I've got all these lovely little things. Yep, no tags at all. Yeah, this is totally my... Actually, never mind. This is my gaming setup, guys. This is me making a video. My setup, dudes. Yep, not Cap. Not a face reveal. Nope. Nothing. My chair. Buy the chips. It's hungry. I'm not. Reach the beans. I want the beans. I can't reach them. I'm tiny as hell. Back with Junior's kitchen. Get the spatula. Good morning. Go to brush my teeth. Grab the window. My 50th bedroom because I'm rich. 5 more minutes. Up.
Oh, why?
It's morning. It's like 7 a.m.
No.
Hey, I'm cold. Sorry, I'm not a bookworm. Pango's family and welcome to the ocean. Oh, wowie. We're going. Oi, me mateys.
These frogs.
I know. Chair. Give me the side eye. Garlic. Hey, family. Family. Good species. It's a swarm of tiny monkeys. Hey, want to play this? Oink. I'm dizzy. Great map. It's not really secret if it's just out here. Yeah. Want to drink? Me. Looking at the oil. That, and that. They're all the same. I need me some of that. I'm hungry now. Just give me the food. Suspect that anything good is happening over there. Sized teacups. Perfectly sized little frogs. Where am I? Sounds feeling I've seen these pillars before. They do to the Coca-Cola bear. A cow got skinned. Cola bear, what did they do to you? R.I.P. Coca-Cola bear. What is this? Oh, this is very fluffy. I'm gonna buy it. I swear, if these kids start climbing up walls again, I'm going to lose it. A nice bubbly bath. Be nice part 2. A good sniff of the flowers. Got to smell them all. Welcome. This reminds me of home. It's so green and grassy. Oh, this is the reason I came here. Wowie. Wowie. Biggest wowie ever. I'm going to run down the hallway. What are you doing here? I'm just staring on the camera. Stand still. Okay, Freddy, Fozzie, what are you all doing here? You need to go on a diet. Oh my god.
Oh, that is.
Some chocolate milk? This is chocolate oat milk. What? Bacon? Oh no, this isn't bacon. What is this? Gratin. Knackebrot. Lackerbrom. What is this? Oh, the ketchup is the same. And what is that? Pasta. Slip mild. What? I'm pretty sure that's English. I don't know. What is this? What is that cheeky monkey doing there? Get down. To escape IKEA. Yes, we're escaping. Very slowly, but yes, escaping.